Hunter eyes, those alluring almond-shaped eyes that give you that serious and mysterious look. They're like a secret weapon in the world of facial features. But hey, did you know there are actually two types of eyes? We've got the prey eyes and the predator eyes, or as I like to call them, hunter eyes. It's like being part of a fierce animal kingdom, right on your face. Now, let's talk about the power of hunter eyes. They can either make or break a face. It's like walking around with a sign that says, "Hey, I'm serious, mysterious, and totally trustworthy." But let's not forget about the prey eyes. They're not exactly the eye type you want to strive for. They give you that submissive and weak look, like a lost puppy begging for treats. However, believe it or not, some folks can still rock the prey eyes and look attractive. It's like they're defying the laws of eye physics or something. Take a look at Cillian Murphy, for example. He's got those prey eyes, but hey, he's still considered one of the most handsome men out there. Talk about breaking the mold. Now, here's a fun fact. Most people think that eye color is the ultimate eye attraction factor. Well, guess what? They're dead wrong. It's not about the color, folks. It's all about the shape. I mean, seriously, take a good look at Putin. Are you really attracted to his eyes just because they're blue? No offense to the man, but I think there's more to eye appeal than color alone. Shape matters, people. But here's the catch. You can't exactly choose your eye shape like you're picking a shade of lipstick. It's mostly genetics at play here. However, fear not, my eye shape enthusiasts. There's a way to maximize your eye potential, and it involves a process called mewing. I know, you're probably rolling your eyes right now, thinking, not another mewing video, but hey, it's the non-surgical option, so bear with me. Mewing is like a secret technique passed down through generations. It's all about placing your tongue on the roof of your mouth at all times. Yes, all times. It's like having a VIP section for your tongue. And what does this magical mewing do? Well, it pushes those facial bones upward and forward, giving you that well-developed face you've always dreamed of. It's like tongue power activating the hidden potential of your eye area. But let's be real here, folks. Patience is the name of the game. You're not going to magically wake up with hunter eyes overnight. No, it takes time, dedication, and a whole lot of self-control to keep that tongue up there all the time. But trust me, it'll be worth it in the end. You'll be strutting around with eyes that say, "I'm a leader, I'm trustworthy, and I've got killer eye shape." So there you have it, the lowdown on hunter eyes. I hope this video gave you some eye-opening ideas. Pun intended. Now go forth, my fellow eye enthusiasts, and embrace your potential. I'll catch you in the next video, where we explore the fascinating world of nostril symmetry. Stay tuned.